talking today a little bit about my new bag choices of going into 2026. My favorite bag that I've been using for the past 5 years is the PGYTECH One Mo backpack here. It's quite, I mean, it's the original one. I know that they have a couple, I think they might have a couple more out now, but this is the backpack that I took to Europe many times, and it's really great. I've just used the crap out of this. I like this line that PGYTECH has going on because I like the material. The material is my favorite. When you're wearing this, it doesn't itch you, it doesn't scratch you, it doesn't, the straps and everything feel really soft and very nice and very strong. So, and the biggest thing is because of the material is so great, we have a German Shepherd Husky mix and his hair gets just about everywhere. And this bag repels hair like crazy. So if we don't vacuum one day, I know that, you know, the hair, if I lay the bag down somewhere, it's not gonna pick up and collect hair. That's very important to me in a bag that can repel hair very easily because I love my dogs, and so they're always gonna be around. So, you know, having a bag that kind of fits with them is great. And so it's like two big things. It's super soft, and when you have hair on the back here, and this is the only part that it would actually pick up hair, it comes right off. It doesn't hold, because eventually that hair is going to be inside your bag and eventually inside your camera sensor if you're changing lenses constantly. So fantastic. I love this bag, but I'm retiring it because the zipper has now completely got ripped off. So it's like not, the bag won't even close anymore. So after 5 years, the bag is now done, but I've used it every single day for 5 years. So that is a lot of use. But I did reach out to PGYTECH because I was curious to see what they would say. If there was any warranty or anything on like the zipper if it comes off, because the bag is completely useless now. It's not just like, I mean, I can't use it at all. So I have to just throw it away. But I reached out to them in an email and they did not reach back. So they didn't even like try to reach out to me, which I thought was very interesting. So I haven't really dealt with the customer service quite, you know, extensively or whatever, but I haven't really had an issue until now. But it's past probably any type of warranty that they probably offer. I think it's like probably 3 years. So I've had the bag for 5 years, but I guess that's okay. But it'd been nice if they actually emailed me back. Anyways, I'm retiring this bag. Goodbye bag. Hope you rest easy. RIP. Great value, good bag. Fantastic for airplanes. If you travel a lot, this bag is really great for that. It fits underneath the seat really well, and it just fits everything I need. I could throw one camera in there, a couple lenses, and a light, and some other stuff for my travels, and I can be gone for months. And I have no complaints. The bag feels good. It doesn't hurt my back. Yeah, the straps actually are made to fit your body, which I love. And that's it. So I'm gonna move on to the next bag that I have coming up now. Just bought this. It's the PGYTECH roller backpack. And it's got wheels. It's really awesome. In this video, I'm sure I put the unboxing in front of this. So I just got, this is the 30 liter roller camera backpack. Yeah. So it's fantastically huge. I mean, look at this. Oh my gosh. It's massive. I got this because I won't be taking this one on the plane because it's too big. And if you travel someplace like Germany or going through places, they will want to check this probably. I've fought with them many times. And sometimes when the gate person is not having a good day, you're not gonna have a good day. So just keep it to the 25 liter One Mo's because that's like the perfect size. I have not had any issues with that. The 30 liter, you're with the wheels, you can take them off. Yeah, I get that. But if you wear it like a backpack, it's quite huge. And I don't think you'll be able to, I wouldn't. If you have camera gear and it's expensive and you have lenses and stuff, like, don't even try. This will not leave the United States. This will go on all my jobs. I've already taken this bag on a job. I put 2 camera bodies, 4 lenses, and a light with a stand. No, 2 lights. No, okay, just 1 light with the stand, yeah. I teach dance, and when the handle is pulled out, I can throw my dance bag on top of that or another backpack. And so it's really great. I don't have to carry it on my shoulders or my back, so my back won't get tired. And if I have any other bags, I take my bag from my wife and then put her bag on this thing and I just roll it for her. It's really great. Now your hands are free to open doors and push elevator buttons and use your phone to call an Uber or whatever. So it's a really great bag, because if you travel a lot, you'll need something like that. The only thing I don't like about the bag that I could see it becoming an issue in the future is the laptop compartment, like Velcro strap. On my Onemo, that Velcro strap does not work, and it didn't work within like a year. And I had to be very, very careful that my laptop wouldn't just slide out somewhere, because the strap would not even hold the laptop half the time. The roller backpack has a little bit better quality Velcro, so I'm curious to see how long that will last. But I wish they used some type of like hooking mechanism or some type like of strap instead of the Velcro, because I feel like it just, the Velcro, I don't trust Velcro at all for holding anything. So guys, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, again, leave them in the comment section below. If you're having any questions about this bag whatsoever, I can help you. And again, I bought these bags with my own money. I'm not sponsored in any way. I just buy things and I use it, and I keep the things I use, and I review the things I use on my jobs. But thank you so much for watching. If you do like, subscribe, thank you so much. And I'll continue to put out more videos in the future. But Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.